Hey drinks fans, welcome back. I'm Steve the Barman and today I'm going to give you 3 amazing Apple vodka cocktail recipes for you at home. But before you switch off and you think, I haven't got any Apple vodka, it doesn't matter because I'm going to show you a couple of quick little things. I'm going to tell you about them right now, to be fair. There are other brands obviously available around the world. Ciroc doing Apple vodka, Smirnoff doing Apple vodka. I'm pretty sure Absolut doing Apple vodka, although I can't think of it off the top of my head. Apple Liqueur or something like that, maybe. I don't know. But there is another way you could do it. You could use your favourite plain vodka and have kind of ingredients like this. This is Giffard's apple or sour apple liqueur. You could even use apple sours, which is, I'm not sure if it's a worldwide brand actually, but definitely everyone knows about it in the UK. Apple sour. So don't think that you have to have an apple vodka for this. You could go apple liqueur as well. I just think this works. So let's dive straight in. Let's put this back out of the way now. Let's dive straight in. 3 different kind of cocktail serves for you, and I absolutely love these. The first one, I'm kind of going there. As always, the recipes will be in the description below or a link to them, and I want you to get involved in the comments as well. I want you to come up with your name suggestions in here. It's always fun. I like to see your suggestions. So, shaking this one down. First ingredient, this is kind of like an apple and melon sour. Well, it is an apple and melon sour. But again, come up with your names. Right, let's crack on. 50ml double bubble of your favourite apple vodka. And if you are using plain vodka, what I would suggest is maybe either 35ml of plain vodka and 15ml of apple liqueur, or if you want to go a bit more, 50ml double bubble plain vodka and then 15ml of apple liqueur. It's up to you. Just have a little play. This is inspiration. Adapt how you see fit. So I've got 50ml double bubble of my apple vodka. My melon is obviously coming in everyone's favourite green liqueur, Midori. We're going 15ml, half an ounce of Midori. It's amazing sour, this. There we go. And then I want some lemon juice. Which one? That one. 25ml, which is nearly 3/4 of an ounce. 22.5ml is 3/4 of an ounce. So whatever 25ml is. And then some sugar syrup. Again, 15ml, half an ounce of sugar syrup. That's my standard sort of sour ratio, especially if I've got a bit of extra booze in there as well. I kind of go 25ml lemon juice and then 15ml of sugar. Gone, whatever. Right. Those watch my videos all the time will know that I don't use egg whites in any of my sours or any of my froths. I'm well past that because of the hen parties, and I encounter pregnant hens, and I do events for a living, so I have to encounter sort of be there for the vegans and the pregnant. They don't want egg whites. So product now needs no introduction for the regulars. Miraculous foam is equivalent of 160 egg whites in this bottle, and they do exactly the same thing as an egg white, and I will show you. Let's just wash this. Right, you need about 1/3 of a pipette, no much more than that, and they will not change the flavour of the cocktail in the slightest unless you use half a pipette or anything more than that. Right, just about 1/3 of a pipette going in there. I'm actually going to dry shake this. So hard fast, 5-6 seconds, and that'll go from that to that. Look at that. Proper froth. Right, now I'm just going to chill this down, shake out with some ice. Right, a couple more. Right, and now we're going for our hard, fast shake again. About 10-12 seconds. There we go. Right, as I always say in all of my videos, if you're in a pub and bar, fresh ice. If you're at home, no, just shake and dump. If you're in a pub or bar, fresh ice and then strain. I'm just going to strain this. I'm not sure how much ice I've got in the glass. And then I'm just going to use that. Oh no, just about perfect. Just about perfect. Look at that, look. And there we go. Apple and melon sour. I've got a little bit of watermelon on the side here. And there we go. Oh, love this. You see, can we see on the close-up? It's like it's got that proper sort of white froth on top. Just works, those foamers. Doing my little happy dance. Oh, that is so good. I was never cut out for classic cocktails. Oh, fun. Right, cocktail number 2. Regulars know exactly what's coming now. It's my lovely julep glass. So we're going for kind of a julep, kind of. We need names anyway. We need names. Get involved. Get your name suggestions below. Right. I'm going to make this straight in the glass because we're going to have a little swizzle and a little. So, 50 ml double bubble of your vodka. 50 ml Apple Vodka. Lovely jubbly. Or if you're using plain vodka, 50 ml, 15 ml of Apple Liqueur. Whatever floats your little boats. Next ingredient. First time I'm rocking this out in videos. Oh, I love elderflower liqueurs, and I've always been a huge fan of Saint-Germain. However, I invested in some Giffard, posh Giffard. Oh, this is good. This is really good. So I'm going 15 ml of Giffard elderflower liqueur, and I'll butcher the name. Fleur de Cereau Sauvage. Come on, haters. Fleur de Cereau Sauvage. Made from a small batch maceration of wild elderflowers for a rich floral aroma. Oh, so good. I'm terrible at accent. I'm terrible at naming things. Right, some lime juice now. 15 ml, half an ounce of lime juice. There we go. I do want a tiny little bit of sugar in here, so I am going 10 ml, third of an ounce of sugar syrup, or gum, or simple, whatever you want to call it. 10 ml. And then obviously the julep is all about the old mint. And apple and mint we know goes well. Apple elderflower and mint goes well. Right, got some sprigs here. Which one should I save for the garnish? That one looks pretty sexy for the garnish. That's the sexy one for the garnish. Right, I want about 8 to 10 mint leaves. So where we got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, and I always say, oh, the mint is just coming at me. Let's go one more for luck. Palm your hand. Give it a spank. That's all you need to do. And that just awakes the aromas. You don't need to pummel mint. You don't need to muddle it. Just spank it. Give it a little bruise. Oh, minty fresh. Minty fresh. It's like your Colgate toothpaste. Oh, right. Bit of crushed ice. Except it's going to be boozy, isn't it? Right. Bit of crushed ice in there. Bit more. Take your long bar spoon, and we're just going to give this a little churn. We're just going to stir it around, combine all the ingredients. You could shake it if you wanted to. It's just less faff in it to do this. Less faff. Oh, the elderflower. Oh my god. Come to Barman. Let's get this on here. Come to Barman. I want to taste this. I want to dip my straw in. Here's one I used earlier. Waste not, want not. Oh, apple. Oh my god. I'll do the next bit in another 5 minutes. Oh, that is good. That is really good. Right, anyway, let's crack on. Point of the video where I just like to give a massive shout out to my Patreons, my legends. Thank you so much for your love and support. It's growing each and every month now. My Patreon community is all about me trying to help you as much as possible. Get involved by downloading my free cocktail book. It'll be in the pinned comment of every single video that I do. So download my free comment, have a little, download my free cocktail book, have a little look at that, and then come and join it. If you want the updated version every single month, that's a free perk of my Patreon. I try and help you as much as possible. It's me giving back. I live in the DMs on Instagram and on WhatsApp, however I can help help you guys, whether you're running pubs, bars, whether you're home bartenders, mobile bars, questions, whatever. Just have a look. If it's up for you, come and join us. Come and become a legend. Right then, boys and girls, cocktail number 3. We've had starters. We've got our main course. Now it's time for dessert. And for dessert, I'm going to serve you up an apple and blueberry pie with custard. How do you like that? How do you like them apples? Isn't that apt? That's a UK saying, isn't it? How do you like them apples? Right, let's crack on. So this is 2 parts to this one. Oh, I love this. Love this. Right, here we go. 50ml double bubble. 1 3/4 nearly ounces of your Apple Vodka, or 50ml of plain vodka and 15ml of Apple Liqueur, whatever. Whatevs. Lime juice. Oh, that's my lemon juice. Lime juice. 15ml of lime juice. 1/5, half an ounce. My sweetener, I'm going for some cinnamon sugar syrup. And I just want 10ml. 10ml of this. 1/3 of an ounce. Lovely, jubbly. Now, this next ingredient coming up, bit controversial, but I thought that'll work. I could have gone cranberry juice, which I was originally going for, but I've actually got some blueberry juice. Blueberry juice. Inspiration, that's all. If you don't like it, use cranberry juice. That's all I'm saying. I just give you a bit of inspiration. So, I'm just going 25ml, which is just over 3/4 of an ounce. So this is my first part. So I've got apple vodka, apple and blueberry. We know that goes together. Apple and cinnamon. We know that goes together. So I'm just going to ice this up and give this a bit of a shaky. We've got the topping in. We've got the topping to come. So good old hard fast shake. Right. There's that bit. So pop that to one side. I am going to double strain this. Fine strain it, whatever you want to call it. Double strain, let's get rid of all the tiny little shards of ice. Lovely. That should be about perfect. Right, pop that there. Pop that to one side. I've got loads spare. Fresh shaking tin. Now we're going for the top part. There's a couple of ways you can do this. I'm going to do it how most of you would be able to do it, but I'm going to show you a different flip on this as well. So we're going for our custard kind of topping for this. Now I'm going to use Liqueur 43 and a bit of pressed apple juice, or for you Americans, cider. Don't get me started. Don't get me started. It's apple juice. It's pressed apple juice. Don't get me started. However, there's a cool product in the UK that I've got, and this is William Fox custard syrup. Oh, so I could use that with a bit of water and shake it down, and I'd have a nice sort of custard froth on top. However, I'm going, because custard is kind of vanilla, I'm going for the boozy method, but that would be a great alternative as well, especially if you wanted to make it sort of a non-alcoholic top. So that's that for a little bit of inspiration for you. So to do this, I'm just going 15ml of Liqueur 43, kind of a vanilla liqueur, 43 herbs and spices, but the big one's vanilla. Or you could use Galliano vanilla, it's up to you. And I'm just going 30ml, actually, 1 ounce. I need a bit more than 25ml. So 30ml, 1 ounce of pressed apple juice or cider. I'm joking. Right. Shaky. Oh, sorry, false start in here, false start. God, I'm getting distracted by all this cider talk now. Get rid of that one. That'll do. What I obviously want to turn this into a froth, don't I? So I need my miraculous foamers. I just need about 1/3 of a pipette. Lovely jubbly. And that'll do the same job as egg white. It's vegan friendly. It's just better than egg whites, that's all. So there is an ice cube in there, but let's give it some welly. There you go. You can see we've got the froth in there, look. Now, I am just going to, I'm not gonna chill it down. I'm just gonna kind of strain this. I kind of like layering it actually. It will just float on top, but I kind of do like layering it. Just to float this over the top. So we've got a nice kind of custard foam on top. Oh, magic. And then the final bit of this. We are not quite done yet because I've got one final bit for you to come. On my channel, a lot of you will have seen this. If we get it on the close up there, I've got blitzed up freeze-dried raspberries. I've only gone and he says, yeah, I've only gone and done some freeze-dried, blitzed up freeze-dried blueberries as well. Oh, look at that. But I'm going one better. You know, I'm going one better. I might have to do this in there so you can't see it. I haven't got anything smaller. No, let's do it in there. Sorry, you won't be able to see this. I like to do everything so you can see it properly. So I'm just going to take a bit of my crushed up blueberries. There we go. Let's take a bit of spoonful like that. Blitzed up. Oh, I love them. I'll pop links of where I get these from as well. So I've just got that. Now I just want a little bit of cinnamon. I want a cinnamon and blueberry. Not much. Just a little sprinkling like that. There was quite a lot went in there, wasn't it? let's just put a little bit more blueberry in there. That'll do. That'll balance out. Give it a little stir up. Little stir up. And then I've got my blueberry and cinnamon crust. Oh, that smells wicked. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Look at that. That's inspiration for you, isn't it? That's mixology at its finest. Oh dear, oh dear. Right, there we go. Apple, blueberry, custard pie. Oh, the happy dance. Oh, I ain't even going to bother trying to split those. As always, Mummy Barman's will be up on screen, her orders. If I'm honest, I think I would go the julep, but they're all banging.